almost equal growth. And CASA also has grown by 15.30%, which is a very healthy number. RAM has grown by 14.80% to 4.17 lakh crore. Retail has grown by 18.74% to 1,46,000 crore. Agriculture has grown by 9.96% to 1.58 lakh crore. Agriculture little slow because of the new guidelines has come, but we are very comfortable. It has started picking up and going forward it will improve. MSME also grown very healthy growth. MSME earlier we used to grow in the range of 5 to 6%. Now it is growth is 17%. Corporate also, which used to grow 2-3%, now we are in the range of 11.49%. Gross NPA has come down to 1.86%. YOY basis 115 basis point. QOQ basis 12 basis point. Net NPA has come down to 0.maintain. Sequentially it has maintained 0.15%. Provision coverage ratio is at 98.22%. YOY basis 2 basis point has come down. QOQ 6 basis point gone up. Cost of deposit sequentially has come down by 3 basis point to 4.80. Yield on advances has gone up by 2 basis point to 8.09. Yield on investment has come down by 3 basis point, but because of the repo rate has been come multiple times, that's why yield on advances has come down. Domestic NIM we have maintained 6 basis point expansion. We have better than guidance 3.41. Return on asset it has gone up by 3 basis point on quarter to quarter basis 1.31. Net interest income very healthy growth of 17% and quarter to quarter also 5%. Operating profit quarter growth 5%. YOY growth 16%. Profit before taxes it's there. Net profit around 10% it has grown. Return on equity 19.48%. Next. So this is this is bar chart of the previous slide only. So no need to explain that. Next. Total business again, if you see 13.47% deposit growth. Current account has grown by very healthy growth of 26.33%. Saving balance has grown by 13.54%. Next. Segment wise, retail has grown by 18.75%, retail agriculture by 9.96%, MSME by 17%. Overall, RAM share remains around 66%. That is our target between 65 to 66%. Within that segment, home loan and mortgage loan is growing by 13.36%. And in MSME, if you say good growth has come in all the segments, micro, small, medium, everywhere growth is in the range of 15 to 18%. Next. Priority sector, we have achieved all the targets. Against a target of priority sector of 40%, we have achieved 45.36. Agriculture 18%, achievement is 21.44. Small and marginal farmer target is 10%, we have achieved 10.18. Liquor section 12%, achievement is 13.30. Micro under MSME 7.5%, achievement is 11.59. Non-corporate farmers 14%, achievement is 20.67%. Even self-help group, we have almost 98% achieved the target. Mudra 101% achievement is there. PM Viskarma, PM Swanidhi, wherever requirement is there, we are participating, we are achieving. Next. Operating profit already told, interest income has increased by quarter on quarter basis 3.49, interest expenditure 2.74%. NII has grown by 17%, and net profit already explained somewhere, so around 10% increase in the net profit. Next. Within that segment, if you see, interest income on advances has grown by 13.32% quarterly, interest on investment 2.86%, other interest income, because we have raised green infrastructure loan, so because of that other interest income has gone up. Profit on sale of basically treasury income last year it was 560, this year it is 400, but very good thing we can see in the fee-based income, good growth. If you compare from the last financial year, it has gone up from 790 to 930. And also forex income, almost 100 crore jump, 181 to 281. So good jump on that also. PSLC commission almost in the same range. Next. So on expenses part also. Interest on deposit 2.53% growth quarterly. Other interest expenses 14.09%. Interest on borrowing, it has come down little bit from the March, but from last year, because borrowing we remain on the borrowing side. So that's why this yearly basis it has gone up. Salary and employee benefit, if we take it together, it has increased by around handsome margin of around 10% in salary, employee benefit 31%. So good jump is there. Staff expenses overall 18% growth is there. Overheads quarterly negative growth 1,612 to 1,440. Operating expenses overall has grown by 4.35%. Next. So performance ratio, cost of deposit has come down from 4.83 to 4.80. Cost of fund has come down from 4.88 to 4.83. Yield on advances has come down from 8.07 to has gone up from 8.07 to 8.09. Yield on investment has come down from 6.99 to 6.86. Yield on funds has gone up from 7.95 to 8. So 5 basis point expansion is there. NIM has gone up both domestic and global by 6 basis point from 3.23 to 3.29, 3.35 to 3.41. Cost to income ratio, if you see compare from the March it has come down almost same, but whole year last year was 46.03, which has come down to 44.80. Return on asset 1.28 to 1.31, it has gone up. Return on equity from March also it has gone up from 18.98 to 19.48. Earning per share is 97.20 annualized. Book value per share 510.72. Business per employee 35.62. It has gone little down because fresh recruitment has happened. Probationary officer we have taken, which they have joined in April. Because of that has come down little bit. Business per branch 248 crore. Net profit per employee 31.2. Recovery is 751 crore. MOI means memoranda interest recovery is around 198 crore. Total recovery plus subtraction 1,885 since September 2022. Our recovery is more than slippages. So our recovery for the quarter Q1 is 1,885 against slippage of 1,300. Provision coverage ratio is very healthy at 98.2%, so hardly anything to be provided for 1,025 provide to net NPA level of 0. Then slippage ratio is 0.77, credit cost is also 0.2. SMA account overall MSSME account has come down on 5 basis from 7.99 to 4.69 and sequentially also from 4.73 to 4.69. SMA 2 amount wise it has gone up from 900 to 22 to 1,112. One account DCCO because of DCCO, but that will be upgraded, so no cause of concern. Next. Financial inclusion consistently we are achieving all the target, maybe GDP and JDY, maybe GDP and JJDY, maybe GDP and SPY, all targets APY, all targets we are achieving, and the number of claims settled PMJJBY under PMJJBY and PMSBY, PMJJBY we have approximately 42,000 claims, and now around PMSBY around 8,500 claims. Next. Now I request my colleague Mr. Ashutosh to take through the digital part.
Yes, sir. Good evening, friends. Now we'll go to the digital part and digital journey of the bank till now. So we thought this time.
Welcome to Indian Bank. Here are the highlights of our digital business.
இந்த பகுதியை உங்களுக்கு வழங்கியோர் அசீனா மேக் ஓவர் அண்ட் ஆரிவர் ராமநாதபுரம்.